What's up, everybody? Today I am super excited to be doing my favorite things on this sandstorm right here. So I'm going to take you through just a few. Sorry, can we cut?
What's going on?
I'm just struggling to even think of a few things I like about this.
It's just 5 things.
Dude, you got this.
Yeah, Jack's been trying to sell this for months, bro. You gotta help him out.
Okay, well, I think I got an idea. So let's roll it back and restart. Man, I'm glad we hit the restart on this because this is more what I'm talking about. Let's get into it. Number one on this trailer is its affordability. So Pause, when they first started making trailers a few years ago, it was a high-end product, a luxury product with a bunch of bells and whistles, features we've really never seen in an off-grid RV. And now we have this, which is the Restart. This is a lot more affordable. And so this Restart line, there's gonna be more models coming out, but this specific model is the first one and it is a lot more affordable. But with affordability, sometimes you make compromises. You don't get the bells and whistles you might get on a high-end product, but with this product, you still get all the things you need to be able to go off-grid, off the highway, off the pavement, and explore America's backcountry. We've actually tested this thing in Moab. To be honest, we put this on a trail that maybe we shouldn't have, but it actually performed really well. It's a trail we've tested our Black Series on, our Dwellers on, our Conquerors on, our Explorers on, our MDCs on, our other Pauses on. This one was able to complete the task as well. So with this trailer, even though it's more affordable, you might say, okay, what am I giving up? What's the catch? When a deal's too good to be true, there's gotta be a catch. With this thing, there's really no catch. It's still an off-road trailer that's able to get you off-grid. So the next few items I'm gonna show you are proof of that. And I'm going to show you why this thing is still a capable off-road trailer, but without breaking the bank. So let's get into the next few points. Number two is that this trailer still has an independent suspension with plenty of travel. This is the Curt Beast Mode suspension. You may have seen this on other trailers like the Ember or the Ibex. It is a fantastic suspension. Like I said, independent, so no axles. It's not a Timbren suspension, which is pretty bouncy. This thing's going to be able to absorb the bumps and ruts just fine. Like I said, we tested this thing and we were pretty happy with how it performed. So that's number two, is the Curt Beast Mode suspension. You still got independent suspension, and that's one of the most important things you can have when looking for an off-road trailer. Now I want to go inside, show you some nice touches in there. So let's continue this. All right, welcome inside. And I want to get straight into number three, which is the queen bed. And as you can see, a north-south queen bed. We did a few videos on the 14.3 recently. That one's got an east-west bed. This one is a true north and south bed. And I love that you have the storage here on the sides, place to put down your books, your phones. You also have plugs, which have a USB-A and a USB-C plug and 120 volts. Another great thing about north-south beds is they typically give you storage on the sides, like a hanging closet. And look at this, still a locking latch like you're gonna see on the Pauses and Reboots. And then a really nice hanging closet there on each side. That can be really important for people. It's a great place to hang coats. If you are living in this and you have a dress or something, you can hang it up in there. And then overhead storage too. And as with all Pauses, it is a true queen bed, so you're gonna be able to swap this out, the mattress of your choice. One of our priorities here at ROA is that you use your trailer, because you could have a really expensive trailer, but if it just sits in your driveway, it is completely useless. So we want our roamers to get out. And so if you have a bed that you love and you have the mattress of your choice, you are gonna be more likely to go out camping. So that's an important thing for us. Let's go to number four. Number four, it's kind of a general one, but it's the overall comfort of this trailer. So I have the L-shaped lounge here. This table can spin out, and so I can come here and do my work, eat. I can also watch TV. Yes, it does have over-the-air television, so if I want to have a tearjerker, watch Young and the Restless, I guess I can do that too. Looks like it's an emotional scene right now, so we're gonna turn that off. It's a little distracting, but you can watch TV. It's also a smart TV, so if you got internet connection, you got Starlink or a cell connection, you can have YouTube TV, Hulu, Disney Plus, whatever streaming services you use. I love that. Also love the amount of storage they give you. So you have overhead storage here above your booth, overhead storage above the kitchen, under the kitchen, which brings me to the kitchen. You got 2-burner propane stove here. so I'm able to cook inside. You also have the built-in convection microwave oven with the air fryer and this nice cutting board cover, but the sink as well. Very similar kitchen setup to the 14.3. However, this trailer is more affordable than the 14.3, so that makes you think a little bit. That's good. Lots of space to do things, lots of space to store things, fully functional kitchen, fully functional dining area, north-south bed. I can't say enough about the trailer. Beautiful space, plenty of space to move around. If you want to throw a dance party on the TV, you can do a dance party too in here. Now I want to get into number 5, which is right behind me, this door, which is going to take us to the bathroom. The main reason people buy a trailer is 1 for the bed, 2 for the bathroom, so let's show you that. Hello. Kind of busy here. Can we come back later and do this one? Just kidding. This is number 5, which is a bathroom. This is a dry bathroom, and it's actually a pretty spacious bathroom for a trailer this size. I mean, they kind of angle the toilet so I got more leg room. I'm not gonna hit my knees on the door. There's also a bunch of storage in here. So underneath the sink, you have like a massive amount of storage. I mean, probably goes a few feet back as well. Great place for your toiletries, your towels, your extra bathroom stuff can be stored in there. You also have a cabinet here on the side. Another great place for shampoos, soaps, toothbrushes, toothpaste. I mean, you could bring a year or 2 worth of toiletries with you in this bathroom. This is a porcelain toilet. It's got a black tank on this thing, which is great. And then you have a shower as well. So I'm 6'2". They put this skylight up here to give me a little bit more headroom. Once again, like other pauses, removable shower wand, able to spray around, and then a curtain here to close it off. Pretty spacious bathroom for a trailer this size. This is a 17-foot box. But this bathroom, the way they did it here in the rear is absolutely incredible. Great storage. You also do have a sink here to wash your hands off after you go to the bathroom. And then you got the power tower. So power outlets here and even additional outlets over here. This thing does have a 2,000 watt inverter. So if you gotta plug some stuff in, you can. That's gonna take me to number 6, which is the power. Number 6 is the power. In more affordable trailers, you're typically gonna see the biggest compromises on your power systems. With this one, they did not compromise at all. They still got a Victron inverter. Now it's a 2,000 watts. You still got your solar charge controllers. You got your servo, which is kind of the brains of the Victron system. And then we got 3 batteries here. These are 102 amp hours each from Expion 360. Expion's a company I've spent time with, talking with, and they are very confident in their batteries. Maynard, who helped design this trailer, also talked with them and said they're just exceptional people, make an exceptional product. They have an industry-leading 12-year warranty, so that's even more than you'll see on Battleborns or Renogy. Expion is a great battery manufacturer, and this is a high-quality battery to be putting in this product. So you got 306 amp hours of lithium, plus the Victron system, plus an inverter. And yes, the AC in this trailer does run off the battery still. So that is pretty unique for a trailer like this. There's one last point I want to get to now, but we're going to do it outside and wrap this thing up. Let's go outside. Number 7 is the construction, primarily the walls. So these are fiberglass, backed by Azdel, aluminum framing. The way you've seen it done on the Pause 22.4 on the reboots, it's done the same exact way here. Super strong walls, and they've done the thermal barrier, that layer of foam insulation. So that's gonna help with your thermal bridging. It's not gonna eliminate completely, but it's gonna reduce it. And so these are built by County Line Laminating. We've done the tours there. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. They do walls all day, every day. And so they do a great job building the walls for the Pause, and they've gone with the same wall construction on the Restart. They could have cheaped out. They could have gone with fiberglass backed by Luan, which is that wood I've talked about in past videos, but it's still built the same way with Azdel and that foam insulation barrier. Now, as I was doing this video, I thought of a bonus one. So this is gonna be number 8. And when you buy a Restart from ROA, you become a roamer. And I think that's one of the best benefits that you get when you buy from us at ROA. When you're a roamer, you get tech support. So you get over the phone support that no other dealer offers. You also get access to our roamer adventures, where we take these things off road, help you build your confidence in exploring new places. You can also come to the Roamer Rally, where you can meet hundreds of other roamers and organize camping trips with them. There's really a bunch of benefits you get when you become a roamer. And this is one of the most affordable price points to get into the roamer community, which I think is amazing. So if you want to come see one of these, we have it currently at our Utah store. We're going to be getting them in all of our locations. We have a location in Arizona, Colorado Springs, Greenville, South Carolina, and in Utah. So give us a call, make an appointment to come see one. There's going to be information down below that you can download a brochure to learn more about this unit, and we hope to see you on the next one.